Alright. So, my work travels took me to Greencastle, Indiana. And this is the DePauw Nature Center Area Preserve. You can look it up. Greencastle, Indiana, DePauw Nature. I'll get you there. It's an old quarry. I'm guessing mainly for gravel. Judging by the rottenness of the limestone, they weren't building any buildings with this stuff. Maybe bricks and cement and gravel roads. But very cool. Very serene when there's not a lot of people here. I'm making the most noise in the valley right now. It's almost like a Indiana desert situation going on in the bottom here. Oh, there's plenty of water, obviously. It's very interesting. I could see spending half a day out here just picnicking, and couldn't really play frisbee because you're not supposed to run through that area. You're supposed to stay on these roads here. There's birds nesting out there. Killed theirs. I haven't seen any broken wings yet. Oh, there's a dove. Highly recommend it, man. What are you doing this weekend? You with your son or dad? That's later.